Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to another super duper exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what the fuck's gonna come out of a box, what kind of box it is, or whose box it come out of. And yeah, cheers, big ears. We got some Canadian carling going on here. This is a slightly darker version since I have a light that's fucked, and it's not the bulb. It might be the ballast. Well, today's box is blue and white and red and green and brown. It's a cardboard box. It measures 9.5 inches by 7.5 inches by 2 inches. Weighs 440 grams, and when you shake it, it sounds like that. Has some unboxing shaking asthma. Start whipping your skippy, fucking Unboxabators. It's a cold box too, and it looks like this. Highliner fish in tempura batter. Captain Hindgrinder. Ever been to sea, Billy? No, Captain Hindgrinder. Well, look out. So, I don't even know what kind of fish it is. Battered fish portions. It's probably some kind of shitty fish. Shitty fish! Does it like come from City Walk or Shitty Walk? But that's what it is. Let's see actually what it is. Is it? Filet de poisson. Oh, that's French. What kind of fish is it? Haddock. Haddock is good. Wait, are you asthma bastards ready? Listen, you fucking douche cocks. Listen. Not too much asthma for you there. Oh, look. It actually is fish. Battered fish. Fuck me. I thought it might be battered chicken in a fish box. Nope. Alright, bitches. There you go. That's not very exciting unboxing. But you know what? I'm gonna eat this shit. Cheers, big ears. Woo! RTFO, mo folks. Until the next super spectacular fucking unboxing adventure. Keep your stick on the ice. RTFO, mofos. Whoa.